Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to unfollow someone on Instagram in your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Then go to your profile. Here you can see the following option. You just have to press on this. From here, you have to select the person whom you want to unfollow. Select one. Here you can see the following option. Press on this and press on unfollow. So this is how you can unfollow someone on Instagram in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.